Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying scope and choosing your tech. This saves rework later. First, sketch core entities: students, classes, teachers, enrollments, grades. Once done, pick a database engine, SQLite if you need a single file start, PostgreSQL for concurrent users. Next, define fields and primary keys, then map foreign keys so relationships make sense. Make sure to include contact and ID fields now. It prevents schema changes later and speeds up development. Now you implement the schema and interfaces. First, run create table statements with constraints and indexes. Indexes improve lookup speed for roll calls and reports. Then model relationships, one-to-many for classes to students, many-to-many through an enrollment table. After that, build CRUD forms and validate both client-side and server-side. This prevents bad data from entering the DB. Also add referential integrity rules so deletions cascade properly. Finish by deploying and hardening the system. Apply migrations, create user roles, and enable scheduled backups. Once deployed, run realistic test scenarios, enrollments, grade calculations, and permission checks so you catch logic errors. Train staff on input standards and make a simple rollback plan. For maintenance, schedule vacuuming or optimize tasks and set alerts for failed jobs. If something goes wrong, check logs and run a restore from the most recent backup. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves data loss incidents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.